Before most winery operations, you will need to clean a pump and hose. This is a very simple but extremely important procedure that takes a little practice to master. In this video, we will demonstrate how to prepare the winery Liverani and Mono pumps in preparation for use. You will need to first assess the condition of the sanitizing chemicals, the soda ash, the citric acid and water, ensuring that they are sufficiently clean for sanitizing the pump and hose. If the solutions need to be replenished, we use approximately 2 large scoops of soda ash and citric acid respectively in roughly 100 litres of clean, cold water in the appropriately marked drum. Attach clean hoses and any additional equipment such as a racking plate or racking spear required for your specific winemaking procedure. Please remember to use the same diameter hoses in both the suction and delivery side. Today we are demonstrating with a 1/2 inch short hose identified with blue tape and a 1/2 inch medium hose identified with the yellow tape. As a side note, all winery hoses and accessories are fitted with a 2-inch BSM fittings. Fittings should have an intact black rubber O-ring and be free of any debris, such as skins or seeds, to prevent leaks. Connect the power to an RCD protected circuit. Twist to secure the screwed ring to secure to the socket outlet and turn power on. Submerge inlet hose in blue drum with soda ash solution, ensuring appropriate care and PPE is utilised to avoid caustic injury to the skin and eyes. Press the green button on the mono pump. Turn the forward or reverse dial on the Liverani pumps according to the arrow indicators to draw soda ash solution through the hoses and pump. Direct outlet on hose to drain. Do not insert the outlet hose into the soda ash solution drum to recirculate until the residual fluid within the pump runs clear to avoid contaminating the drum. Circulate soda ash solution through the pump, hose and hopper to sanitize the system for about 2 passes. Confirm no leaks from the outlet connection or hose. Then remove the inlet hose momentarily to allow a small bubble of air to pass through the pump. Place inlet hose into the citric acid solution. Lift the outlet hose of the soda ash solution. When the air passes out of the hose, quickly direct the hose toward the drain, taking care to avoid spraying solution on nearby persons or equipment. Insert outlet hose into the citric acid solution. Circulate citric acid solution through the pump and hose. Remove inlet hose momentarily to allow a small bubble of air to pass through the pump. Place inlet hose into the water drum. When the air passes out of the hose, quickly and carefully, avoiding persons and equipment, remove outlet hose from drum and direct the hose toward the drain until water flows. Insert outlet hose into the water drum. Lifting both hoses out of the water momentarily, pump the majority of the water through the hoses. If long hoses are required, walk the water through the hoses but do not run the pumps dry. Stop pump from circulating. Disconnect inlet and outlet hoses and walk the residual water out of the hoses. Empty any water from the pump by gently tipping the pump to drain. Reconnect hoses for winemaking procedures as required. If you have completed your winemaking operations, detach accessories and hoses. Ensure all of the water has been emptied from the hoses and loosely roll the hoses to be hung on the racks on the back wall of the winery. When you have disconnected the power, carefully roll up the power cord and place in the appropriate storage area on the pump. Return pumps to the pump storage hallway and secure with brakes and/or manual stoppers to prevent pumps rolling into the winery thoroughfare. If using the large white mono pump, roll up the cord and the remote to store in the housing on the side of the pump. Return all winemaking accessories to their designated storage positions in the winery.